Can you spot what's unsafe in each of these photos? A few things make this photo an unsafe sleep space: the blanket, pillow, bumper, and soft toys in the crib. Babies should be put to sleep on their backs, and bed sharing unfortunately isn't recommended. This image is almost a safe sleep environment, except for one thing. Yup, the pillow. Babies should always sleep alone in their cribs or bassinets. Baby Center analyzed 500 stock photos. 3 in 4 showed babies in unsafe sleep conditions. To remember what makes for safe sleep, think about ABC: alone, on their backs, and in a crib or bassinet. This is important because unsafe sleep environments put babies at risk for sudden, unexpected infant death, SUID. There should be no blankets, no crib bumpers, no stuffed animals or soft toys, and no bed sharing. For more tips and tricks for infant sleep, check out Baby Center courses.